Hey guys, facing this problem, don't worry, don't panic. We are going to fix it in just 2 minutes. All right, so once you open your Dawg's airdrop and it shows this, all you need to do is just kindly go back. All right, so just watch this video carefully to see how I'm going to do it now. And if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click on go back. Now click on this 3 dot sign, this parallel line on your Telegram. Now click on your setting. You can see setting here. Now click on username. You can see your username here. Then input your username. All right. Guide mode. Don't give it space. All right, so it's available. Click on mark up here, and username is set. Let's go back to our Dawg now. So back on your Dawg, click on open again. You're gonna see that everything is going to be okay. All right, so what this means is that your Telegram age, the age you started your Telegram, is going to determine the points, the Dawg's points you're going to have. All right, so you can see here. So the other way to increase your point is to have referrals. All right, you can see the differences here. My point for referrals and my point for Telegram age. So you don't have to mine anything on this airdrop. Once you've logged in successfully, then invite your friends, your family members, and your Dawg coins are going to increase. So this is just all for now. I hope the problem is solved. If you find it useful, don't forget, hit the subscribe button and join our Telegram channel with the link in the video description. You can also join the Dawg's with our link in the video description. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.